We better face it, Bear. We lost it.
I can't believe we lost it. There are things on the Mega Machine we hadn't even tried yet.
Yeah, it was so coolio. Well, I guess there's no point in playing Submarine Rescue Guys now.
Yeah, we wouldn't have any fun without our Mega Machine.
My Submarine Rescue Guys Ultra Helmet Super Whale Whistle Picker-Upper. Remember when we made these things, Bear? That was fun. And remember when we made the helmets from a couple of your mom's old boxes? That was awesome.
Yeah, but nothing was as fun as the Mega Machine. Nothing.
Bear, we had tons of fun before the Mega Machine, and I had fun playing with you.
Me too. I mean, I like playing Submarine Rescue Guys with you too.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's play with these.
Come on. Your dad's gardening clogs.
They look like clogs, but they're really Super Seal party flippers.
Or. That's pretty good.
Hey, how about
Franklin?
check this out, Bear. See? It's Faraway Falls.
Wow! The Submarine Rescue Guys headquarters.
Huh? Come on, Bear. To the way!
Hey, wait up.
Hey, Dad.
Hi, boys. Dinner will be soon.
Great. Dad, can I borrow this for just a bit?
My brush? Sure. I'm all done.
This isn't a barbecue brush.
Come on, Franklin. You can do it.
It's a glowing undersea walrus whisker beacon.
Oh, yeah!
Don't worry, walrus. I'll get your tusks out of that seaweed.
Walrus, huh? Let's see.
Yeah!
Lucky I have my flippers and can swim after that walrus. Follow that walrus! Swim, everyone! Swim! To the way! Gotcha!
Thank you, Submarine Rescue Guys.
If you ask me, I think our game is awesome, with or without a Mega Machine.
I was just thinking that myself.
I need more bubble juice.
Harriet, you had it all along?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Come on, Harriet. We'll ask Mom for more soap. Hey, Bear, I bet there's some spoons in the kitchen that we could use as Submarine Rescue Guys shell signals.
Nice! And my mom has a perfect pan we can use for the sub's radar. This is gonna be the coolest Submarine Rescue Guys game ever. Yeah!
To the way! Here we go.
Da-da-da-da!
To the rescue!
On our way!
Жиырма тоғызыншы бөлімнің соңы. Фильм Қазақстан ұлттық телеарнасы тасысы ойынша алала тастаған 2011 жыл.